What's up, you guys? It's mr32tae from PCMapparel.com. In today's video, we're talking about making the paper chase you, making money work for you. Let's get it. So, for those of you guys who do not know, the difference between dead money and invested money is dead money is just sitting in a banking account. It doesn't matter if it's a checking account or a savings account. Dead money is just sitting in a banking account while inflation is beating that banking account. You have to understand dead money is when it's just sitting in a banking account. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $1 million. Whatever money is in a banking account is dead money. Why? Because it can't keep up with inflation. Invested money is when you have money working for you. You have $1 working to get you another dollar. Investing is when you put your money into something that appreciates. That means you put your money into something that will be more valuable in the future. For those of you guys who don't understand assets and liabilities, an asset is something that puts money into your pocket, and a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. So an asset can be a home that you own and you rent out to get rental income every single month. Therefore, you're getting paid for owning an asset versus a liability is you staying in a home and having to pay a mortgage or having to pay a landlord every single month. That money's not coming back. When you throw that money out, it won't come back. That's dead money. That's a liability. An asset is when you put money into something and it grows. When you put $1 into an investment and it grows to $2, it grows to $5 versus a liability. You put $1 into a liability and you would never ever get that dollar back. So that is the difference between assets and liabilities. A business is the number one way to make money. Why? Because when you own your business, you own your business. You're not being an employee, you own an entity. And this could come with many, many pros. When it comes to business, a lot of people are doing business and they don't know that they're doing business. When it comes to you walking a dog for money or doing someone's hair for money, or even just cleaning someone's house or watching someone's child, when you give someone a service in exchange for money, that is a business. A dog walking business, a phone fixing business, a hair cutting business, a cooking business. Like, everything is a business, you guys. Even me talking to the camera on YouTube is a business. So I want you guys to change the way you look at things. Start looking at things as income streams. Start looking at things as businesses. Everything is a business. Social media is a business. Every single thing on this planet can be converted into a business. So once you look at everything as a business, then you approach things as a business, which is something you want to make money from. A business is there to make money. So the overall goal in a business is to make money and to excel in whatever you're doing. Like I said, whatever it is you like to do, it's actually a business. You just have to figure out how to monetize and get it a legal entity. Make your business an LLC or just make it legal. That's all you have to do. And through businesses, you can actually get more funding than a person. A business can get leverage up to 3 times more as a person. That means if your bank wanted to give you a $10,000 credit card, they will probably give your business well over $30,000. Why? Because they understand businesses is what makes the world go round. Everything is a business, you guys. From everything you almost touch in exchange for dollars is a business. The second way to make money is through real estate, through income producing real estate, or through crowdfunding. Income producing real estate is when you buy a unit and you rent it out for a couple $100 more than the mortgage you have to pay. Why? So if you have a unit for $1,000 and the mortgage is $1,000 every single month, you put somebody in there that's gonna pay you $1,500 every single month. And with them paying you $1,500 every single month, now you have $500 in cash flow every single month that you can save, reinvest it back into your property, or you can reinvest into another asset. So real estate, income producing real estate is just renting out units, renting out a nice place to stay for someone who needs somewhere to stay. And in return, they're going to pay you money. That's all real estate investing is. Cloud funding real estate investing is just you investing into real estate through another investor. I might know somebody who has a company that cloud funds, which just means I can invest into his properties and I get exposure whenever that company grows, and when that property is making money, I also make money. Third way you can make money, guys, is through the stock market. I don't really like to pick stocks. The reason why is because when you invest into a stock, you invest into that one company. You invest into that particular stock, versus me investing into the top 500 companies, which is named the S&P 500. If you was wondering what to invest in when it comes to the stock market, I would tell you the S&P 500. Why? So you wouldn't have to keep up with every single company, keep up with their financials, and just always listen to what's going on with the company. So if you understand the CEOs and the executives are trying to run the company in the ground, or just what exactly is going on with the company, that's exactly why I rather pick the S&P 500 for me to just invest and hold. Why? Because I know even if the top 100 company falls off the market and go bankrupt, the S&P 500 manager will kick that company out and put in another company. So with me investing into the S&P 500, I know and I'm safe to say that I will always own the top 500 companies. ETFs are the way to go, you guys. ETFs mean exchange traded fund, and this is an easy way to invest your money into the stock market. I would recommend the ETF VOO, which just means S&P 500, which means the top 500 companies in America. So if you own shares of the S&P 500, then you basically own the top 500 companies in America. The good thing about the S&P 500 is you don't have to keep up with financials and the executives and the company. The reason why is because you own the top 500 companies. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and comment what other topics, what else do you want me to talk about? Like, comment below, let me know what you want me to talk about, and we out this thing, y'all. Peace.